Grab your mobile phone because we're about to dive into the world of easy money making. Step 1. Take out your mobile phone. It's the tool that's about to bring some serious cash your way. Step 2. Time to put that phone to work. Scan a QR code. Yeah, you heard it right, just scan it. Step 3. Boom! You've just unlocked a golden ticket to real money, all by scanning QR codes. How awesome is that? You can get paid. We're turning scanning QR codes into a money-making frenzy. We're talking up to a whopping $800 just by working that scanner. Can you believe it? And guess what? I'm about to spill the beans on not one, but killer methods to rake in that dough with QR codes. And let's dive into the first method that's going to revolutionize the way you see QR codes. Method 1. Get paid for scanning QR codes or barcodes. We've got the inside scoop on the 7 best websites that'll line your pockets just for scanning those QR codes. Sure, you might have heard of these sites before, but today, we're unleashing their full potential for straight-up cash in your pocket, just by scanning QR codes or barcodes. It's time to level up your savings game, and we've got Swagbucks.com in the spotlight. Put cash back in your wallet, that's their motto, and trust me, they mean it. Swagbucks is your go-to website for turning your shopping sprees into sweet cashback deals. Whether you're shopping online or hitting up your favorite local stores like Walmart or Best Buy, we've got QR codes and receipts ready to fetch you some extra cash. Let's be real, we're all in on online and offline shopping, snagging everything from gadgets to groceries, clothing to health essentials. The awesome part? Swagbucks showers you with cashback for ALL of these purchases. Yep, cashback for those new threads, those shiny electronics, and even those grocery hauls. Imagine this. You shop at major retailers like Amazon or Walmart, and BOOM. Cashback hits your PayPal account. It's like getting paid to shop at your favorite spots. How cool is that? All you gotta do is scan those barcodes, QR codes, and your purchase receipts. And you could rake in anywhere from 2 to 10% in cashback. Now, to kick things off with a bang, when you join Swagbucks, you snag a $10 sign-up bonus absolutely free. Next up in our cashback treasure hunt is inboxdollars.com. They're all about giving you cashback for the shopping you're already doing. Let's dive in. Take a peek at the site Cashback Galore, especially for your grocery shopping. Yep, you heard it right. You're piling up those groceries. Why not pile up some cash while you're at it? Scan those receipts and watch the money roll in. Now, the magic happens when you scan those receipts or the QR codes on them. Inbox Dollars is all about putting money back in your pocket, and they've even added a slick barcode scanner for extra convenience. Scan a barcode, earn up to 5 cents. It's like the future of grocery shopping is paying you back. And get this, you can score cash for shopping at your fave spots like eBay, Starbucks, and more. Imagine stacking up those rewards just for buying what you love. But hold on, there's more. Inbox Dollars is throwing in a $5 sign-up bonus for all you newcomers. That's right, free money just for jumping in on the action. Next, let's talk about National Consumer Panel, ONC's panel. Scan QR codes wherever you find them, even at grocery stores or at home. Great deals await for places like Target and Amazon. Now, onto Ibotta.com. It's all about easy cash back wherever you shop. Spend $30 after signing up, and they'll give you a generous $10 cash back bonus. Plus, you can snag up to 30% cash back at major retailers like Best Buy, eBay, and Walmart by simply scanning barcodes on your receipts. Link your card for extra savings. Fetch.com is a fantastic mobile app. Scan QR codes, barcodes, and receipts to earn rewards in the form of gift cards or even Visa cards. Saving has never been more enjoyable. Sixth on the list is ReceiptHug.com. It's a no-brainer. Scan QR codes, barcodes, or receipts, earn points, and cash out. Easy, right? The cool part? Your earnings come through Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, or good old PayPal. Shop anywhere, upload those codes or receipts, and watch the rewards and cash back roll in. No restrictions on stores or brands, it's a shopper's paradise. And the seventh wonder? Shopkick.com available for both Android and iOS. Major brands like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, and Best Buy have teamed up with them. This app is a game changer. You stroll into a partner store, scan a few product QR codes or barcodes, and voila! You earn rewards, no purchase required. Picture this, you're at Starbucks, sipping on a latte, scanning QR codes, and making money moves. Life's good. Time for a killer method to cash in with QR codes, drop servicing. Drop servicing is selling digital services, outsourcing the work, and pocketing the profits. And guess what? You can do this for free and keep all the money. Head to Fiverr.com, search QR code, and see gigs selling QR code creation for $5 to $100 each. Thousands of orders mean massive earnings. Some have already made $100 K. Now head over to QuircoDegenerator.com, a totally free website where you can whip up awesome QR codes in just 5 to 10 seconds. Seriously, it's that fast. You can create stunning QR codes for businesses, individuals, and all things social media. Business cards, flyers, brochures, you name it, we got QR codes for it. And guess what? It's all free. Now let me showcase the true power of this tool. You can create QR codes for any website or URL cards for saving your deets, requesting Bitcoin payments, sharing your Twitter or Facebook IDs, and even for sharing PDFs or images. The possibilities are endless, and so are the earnings potential. Now it's time to get ready to QRify your world with some epic branding moves. Step 1. Log into this awesome website with just a click using your trusty Google account. Easy peasy. Now, let's say you want to create a slick QR code for your YouTube channel. Simple, right? Just copy that channel URL, head back to the site, select the website option, paste the URL, and hit next. Boom! You're in the customization zone. Change that frame color to match your style. Let's go with a cool dark green. Tweak the Scan Me text to whatever you fancy. Oh, and check out those frame styles. Choose the one that screams you. Play around with the appearance until it's just right. But here's the secret sauce. Add your logo to the QR code. That's like the cherry on top for branding magic. Once you've jazzed it up to perfection, hit download, and that masterpiece is all yours. Now that you've unlocked the secrets to creating booming QR codes for free, let's turn this into a money-making powerhouse. Step 1. Fire up Fiverr and set up a gig offering your stellar QR code services. Craft a catchy title that'll make heads turn. Step 2. It's showtime. Start selling your QR code magic to the sea of clients on Fiverr. You're not just making QR codes, you're making a difference in the QR-verse. You can easily charge anywhere from $10 to $80 for each QR code. Picture this, even with just 10 clients, super achievable. By the way, you're pocketing a sweet $100 to $800. Here's the game plan. Clients swarm in from Fiverr, and you elegantly outsource the QR code creation to our trusty website. That's how the drop servicing empire thrives, my friends. That's it for today's video. Give us a like and subscribe to show us some love. Also, tick that notification bell to get continuous updates on the best ways to make money online. Thanks for staying around. See you on the next one.